Wow, she looks absolutely amazing. I love the color combination of the pink money piece highlights and the red color. Beautiful hair change. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Now if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hair transformations. Now this next one features someone who has some grown out color, some beautiful wavy textured hair. Oh, wow. Another gorgeous color transformation with the copper and the blonde hair color combo. Much like the stylist. Very cool. She also ended up getting a little bit of some layers put in too, and that really just amplified the color even more. Very nice. Now, as always, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, it looks like we have someone getting a cut refresh with a pixie style. Very nice swoop bangs to frame out the face. And this pixie is on the longer side, so this would be a great option if you want to keep a little bit of length, a lot of variety when it comes to styling. If your pixie is a little bit longer than some of the shorter ones that we currently see circulating around. Next up, we have someone with a blonde shoulder length lob. Looks like she's getting a cut refresh here and going shorter. Very nice. And this particular bob does feature the classic part down the center. Next up, looks like we're gonna have a major color transformation for the next one. The stylists all get to work coloring the hair. A little bit of a trim. Ooh, so she went with that blonde trend. This is a very popular hair color at the moment, and it features a nice mix in between being a blonde and brunette. Very pretty. Alright, you guys, I hope you did enjoy all of these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.